Dom from Light and Easy is here to show us how to make the most delicious fried rice. Now, there's fried rice and there's your fried rice. It's pretty good.
Justine, you're going to love this one. Now, Korean flavours are really popular, so we're going to create a Korean barbecue chicken fried rice, and we are making the barbecue sauce ourselves.
Love it, love it, love it.
So I'm going to get you to start off. We've got a whole assortment of delicious aromatic ingredients. We've got ginger, garlic, brown sugar. Now, the traditional gochujang Korean chili paste. So this recipe really has those iconic flavours of sesame and that lovely kind of mild Korean chili.
And this is an ingredient, I'd say a couple of years ago, you could not find at a supermarket anywhere. Now you can find it at the supermarket, which is so wonderful.
And you'll find, Justine, too, this recipe is definitely low in fat and sodium than what you would normally get from a takeaway. So it's a lovely, healthy version from Light and Easy.
Yeah, I love it. And a little lemon too.
Yeah, squeeze of lemon. And then we've got some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and a little bit of stock that's going to go into there as well. Now, while you're doing that, I'm going to fire up my wok.
Nice big wok for this.
Yeah, it's good to have a wok that's got quite a wide base.
Yes.
Half of the oil that we're using is going to fry off our chicken strips. I'm just using chicken breast, so nice and lean. And then I'm going to get your barbecue sauce. Once you're finished, we're going to throw a couple of tablespoons of the barbecue sauce in with the chicken to get it really nice and caramelised. So if you add in half of the barbecue sauce, we're going to go in now. And that should caramelise nicely with that chicken. Perfect. That's perfect.
That sauce smells so good.
Yeah, delicious. We want to give that a little stir, and then we're going to tip this out and then start again with the vegetables.
Right. And it looks quite liquidy as soon as you put it in, but it's going to bubble and reduce and become that sticky, glossy appearance that we want, right?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So just what I'm going to do, this is right now, I'm going to take the chicken out. If you can chop up the shallots and the capsicum for me.
Sure can.
And then I'm going to move on to our vegetables. Excellent. So what we're going to do is go in with the remainder of the oil. And I've got peas. So basically now everything just goes in together.
Now, vegetables. I love this because you always add above and beyond when it comes to veggies, and it's important, isn't it?
It is, Justine. Well, look, Light and Easy go to great lengths to ensure that their meals are as nutritious as they are delicious. And less than 10% of us actually get in our 5 recommended serves of vegetables per day. So with this recipe, it's really giving you a boost of vegetables. Absolutely. So now what we're going to do is go in with our rice. So this is day-old rice is always best for fried rice. So we're going to pop that in. If you can crack those 2 eggs and just give them a light whisk for me.
Can do.
The other thing I love about this recipe is it's a one pan. So all we're going to do is just move the vegetables and rice aside. And we're going to add those whisked eggs in.
So in it goes.
And I'm just going to move that around a little so that it can cook nice and easily. And you'll find that it'll scramble quite quickly.
Yeah.
And all we need to do
is mix it in afterwards. Some people may go, well, I'm just going to throw the eggs in with the rice, but it's probably best not to because you do want to see those little strips of egg. So do it on the side and then mix it through. So we've got the definition of the egg.
Yeah, and those lovely curds of egg is what kind of makes a fried rice really traditional.
Absolutely.
So all we need to do now is add back in the chicken.
Yes.
And I'm going to get you to pour in the rest of your barbecue sauce as well. Delicious. This is what we're looking for, just that slight bit of caramelisation, crispy rice, and then we're ready to serve. So if you can grab me a bowl. Now, this is a recipe that feeds 4, but look, if you're short on time or you don't have access to the ingredients, you're not a great cook, having the Light and Easy version of this in the freezer means you can have the same delicious meal ready in about 4 minutes.
Looks good.
Have a try.
I will absolutely have a try. I've always got my spoon ready to go. I'll try this rice. Yum. I like all types of fried rice, but this is now going to be my go-to Korean fried rice. The best.
Delicious.
Thank you.
You're welcome.